Hey everybody, it's what I'm making for dinner with yours truly. My son Nick is running camera. Nick, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So tonight for dinner, do you know what we're having, Nick, for dinner?
I'm guessing something. No, I don't.
I'm making these tiny purple Brussels sprouts with some sauteed bacon. I'm going to make a meatloaf, and we're going to have roasted.
You're making bacon?
Yep.
Okay.
Roasted
potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
So that's for dinner tonight. I've already cut up the what are those? Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
And now I'm going to render some of this bacon so that it's just cooked, and then I'll keep that on its side, but I'll use the bacon fat to roast the Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to cut this up and then, alrighty, so now we're rendering the bacon. The idea is to, without making it too crispy, getting that beautiful bacon fat. Come in closer, Nick. Get right down there, all right? Yeah. And so you notice it's starting to, the bacon fat is starting to develop, and then we'll just do that. And once we do that, we're going to use this and a little olive oil to coat these beauties right over here. All right, so this is the rendered bacon, and as payment, this is for you. There you go. How's that bacon?
Good, really good.
Right, okay. Now I'm taking the rendered bacon fat and bringing it over to the Brussels sprouts that I've already added some garlic, and I'm just going to mush that around. And as I mentioned in my last video, what I like to add is this spice. It's a perfumed sea salt, pulverized sea salt and herbs from Dario the Butcher.
In Italy.
In Italy, yes.
Are you done?
Almost.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add some red chili flakes. Give that another stir. Make sure everything's coated well. I'm going to put that aside. So now I'm going to prep these sweet potatoes I've already cut up. Take a little olive oil, a couple of glugs of olive oil. And then a little, this is a bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. A little smoked paprika for a bit of savory. And a little ground cinnamon. And then a little salt. And a little, and then a little pepper. This will go aside, and then these and the Brussels sprouts will go in the oven at the same time. All right, so we're now going to make the meatloaf. Got a couple of pounds of ground beef. Taking 2 eggs. I don't have breadcrumbs, but I'm going to use a little something different. Usually I like to use onion soup mix. I don't have that, but I have crispy fried onions. So I'm using that as kind of the binder. Some salt, a little chili powder, ketchup. And then we start to mix. Mix. And I add some more of this. Make sure it's all mixed well. Nice consistency. I'm going to take it and form it into a loaf. Hence, meatloaf. All right. Now, this will go into the oven. Come on over. 350. All right.
But there we have it. Dad made some meatloaf. It looks quite yummy, I should say.
And that's dinner tonight. Roasted sweet potatoes, meatloaf, and purple Brussels sprouts with a salad by Deborah Roberts. And thank you to my buddy, Nick Roker, for cinematography.
Thank you.